So I had this set of hair clippers, and you can still find these hair clippers available, and the problem is the battery wouldn't charge. The original charger didn't work, and the original charger I have here is the 5-volt charger that had this end on it. Okay, now I sent off for a new charger and I did the usual search, but I got the wrong charger back. It's the wrong end and it doesn't fit, and it didn't charge the battery. So I've got a spare charger. It's the wrong voltage as well. My fault. So I couldn't find a replacement charger for love nor money to charge the battery that goes in the bottom of this. So I sent off for another battery, and that works fine. So what we did with a bit of ingenuity, the charger required for this is a 5-volt charger. So I happen to know that the electricity that comes through USB is 5-volt DC. So what we did was, with a bit of ingenuity, we just wired up an old USB charger cable using the power and wired it through to the original charger cable. So now I've got a charger cable for that battery that actually works now. So there you go. With a bit of ingenuity we can fix things. I had to use my multimeter to test the output of the 5-volt rail, but everything's all working hunky-dory now. So, and that battery charges off a USB, so I don't even need a electrical plug-in. So quids in. Thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.